Welcome to Tech World GBA. Hey there, welcome to Tech World GBA, your go-to channel for all things tech. If you love staying updated with the latest in technology, gadgets, and tutorials, you're in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on any of our informative videos. Android phones are packed with hidden features and shortcuts that can enhance your experience and productivity. Here are some of the lesser-known but useful features. 1. Developer options. How to enable go to settings, then about phone, and tap on build number 7 times. This unlocks additional settings such as USB debugging, animation scaling, OEM unlocking, and detailed system stats. 2. Smart lock. Keep your phone unlocked in trusted situations like at home or near your smartwatch. How to enable go to settings, then security, and then smart lock. Configure options like trusted locations or devices. 3. Split screen mode. Run 2 apps simultaneously on your screen. How to use? Open the recent apps menu, tap the app icon on the top of a window and select split screen. Then choose another app to open below or next to it. Guest mode. Let others use your phone without accessing your personal data. To enable guest mode, swipe down from the top to access quick settings, tap your profile icon and select guest mode. Screen pinning. Lock your phone to a single app, which is really useful when handing your phone to someone else. To enable it, go to settings, then security, and finally screen pinning. To use it, open the app you want to pin, go to recent apps and tap the pin icon. Instant translate. Quickly translate text within any app. If you have Google Translate installed, highlight text in any app, tap copy, and you'll get a prompt to translate the text. Share your Wi-Fi connection via a QR code, no need to type in the password. How to use? Go to Wi-Fi settings, tap the connected network, and you'll see the option to share via QR code. Record your screen activity without a third-party app. How to use? Swipe down to access quick settings and look for the screen recorder toggle. Long press on an app icon to access shortcuts like composing a new message or opening a new tab. Useful for quick actions without opening the full app. Notification history. Ever dismissed a notification by accident? No worries. You can recover dismissed notifications from the notification shade. To enable this, just go to settings, then apps and notifications, and finally, notification history. Lockdown mode. Need an extra layer of security? Lockdown mode temporarily disables all biometric authentication methods like face unlock or fingerprint. To use it, enable it via settings, then security and lockdown. You can activate it from the power menu. One-handed mode. Having trouble using your phone with one hand, this feature shrinks the screen for easier one-handed use. To enable it, go to settings, then gestures and one-handed mode. You can swipe down on the screen to activate it. Picture-in-picture mode allows you to watch videos or use Google Maps in a floating window while using other apps. To use this feature, play a video, for example, on YouTube or Netflix, then press home, and the video will continue playing in a small window. Customizable quick settings lets you rearrange or add toggles in the quick settings panel. To customize, swipe down twice from the top of the screen, then tap the pencil icon to rearrange or add new settings. Adaptive battery optimizes battery life by learning which apps you use the most and limiting background activity for others. To enable this feature, go to settings, then battery, and select adaptive battery. Clipboard manager. Manage your copy-paste history with Gboard's clipboard feature. To use it, just enable it by long pressing the clipboard icon in Gboard. App hibernation, available on Android 12 and above. This feature automatically puts unused apps into a hibernation mode to save space and battery. Android manages this automatically, but you can see hibernating apps under settings, then apps. Find My Device. Track, lock, or wipe your lost phone remotely using Google's Find My Device. How to enable? Go to settings, then security, and finally Find My Device. Digital well-being. Monitor and limit your screen time, set app timers, and use the focus mode to minimize distractions. How to access? Go to settings, then digital well-being and parental controls. Battery saver scheduler. Set up battery saver to turn on automatically when the battery reaches a certain level. How to set it? Go to settings, then battery and battery saver. You can schedule it based on the battery percentage. These features can enhance your Android experience, offering more convenience, customization, and control over your device. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on any of our informative videos. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you.